Mohit, what do you feel?
We have to create nodes.
No. See, when you say cluster, Anita, the nodes would have been created. And one more thing, Samya, when you're replying back, just say everyone so everybody would be able to see. Otherwise, it coming to me only. So Samya has already mentioned the difference. So that is the behavior. Okay. So friends, a little bit of a background noise. Thank you. So it is, if you can mute your phones, so it will always be in different blocks. So what block to select? We need 2 blocks, and it will always be in different nodes. That is point number 1. Point number 2 is the nodes are selected by the master based on the network proximity with the client who needs to store the data. Okay. So based on whenever the client communicates with the network with the master, he knows that where the client is communicating from. So he will decide where the data has to be stored, and he will ensure that the data is stored in the appropriate place. Okay, so he will ensure that the data is stored on the proper node. So let's say hypothetically the client is close to 4 and 5. So the data would be stored in the form of 64 bits and in the form of 36 because this is 100 MB on 2 nodes. This is what is how the storage happens. Please, Rajesh, go ahead. And you can, in future, if you want to have a question, please put Q. You don't have to type the whole thing, friend. You can you're most welcome to type it. No worries. Over to you, Rajesh.